Integrated Pest Management Design Project pitch video. Tomato greenhouse in Adelaide Northern Plains. The tomato, Solanum lycopersicum, is one of the most widely used fruits in the world for its versatility in many cuisines. Tomatoes are commonly grown in the northern Adelaide Plains in South Australia, which has a latitude of 34 and Mediterranean climate, making this location ideal for this crop to thrive. It is grown in greenhouses to extend its growing season and to have better control of its environment in order to maintain optimal growing conditions. However, there are associated challenges to this production system which need to be addressed. Botrytis, Botryotina fusciliana, or grey mold in tomatoes is one of the most common and serious problems in greenhouses, as it's the perfect environment for the fungal disease. It targets the branches first, but quickly moves to the leaves and the fruit. The warm, humid climate makes it easy for the fungus to emerge and spread via spores. It targets damaged or decaying tissue of the plant, so it is vital to keep a close eye on plants and ensure any damage is removed in a sterile manner. Ventilation and air circulation also prevents the emergence of grey mold. Tomato red spider mite. Tetronychus evansi is capable of causing significant economic impact to greenhouse tomato growers in the northern Adelaide Plains by reducing yields and increasing control costs. The mites can be spread over long distances through the trading of infected host plants and can also be spread over short distances by wind, irrigation water, and field workers. Tomato red spider mite has only been identified in Australia in the last 10 years. The mite is resistant to many acaricides and insecticides that are registered in Australian cropping systems. It is important that greenhouse tomato growers are well aware of this pest and are prepared with an IPM plan to protect their greenhouses from future infestations, as there are currently no interstate movement controls in place for this pest. Tomato leaf mold, or Cladosporium fulvum, is a common disease caused by the fungus Fulvia fulvum. It came across Victoria in 1935, but is common across the globe, especially in greenhouses and other humid environments. The disease primarily affects the leaves, showing yellow or brown spots depending on the stage of infection, on the surface and underside of the leaf. In severe cases, however, the fruit and flowers can show signs of damage. The mold is capable of damaging entire crops, however, yield is strongly related to the time of infection. In conclusion, our IPM design for a tomato greenhouse in the Adelaide Northern Plains will focus on reducing infestations for common pests observed in this area and setting. Botrytis, tomato red spider mite, and tomato leaf mold will be of particular concern, and thus they will be our main attention for this program. Thank you.